Xiaomi, Samsung and even Motorola are selling devices with no notch, no hole, yes, camera inside display, and seeing this, Apple is feeling heat for sure. Here they just cannot continue with the notch and trimming it down is not an option now. Some massive news coming in from the AlShaikZs. Korean media got decent track. They say Apple iPhone 14 Pro is coming at 6.1-inch display size and Pro Max is gonna have a 6.7-inch display. The exciting part is they confirm both these devices will be using an expensive LTPO OLED display with hole punch selfie shooter. Yes, Apple is gonna source some displays from LG and some from Samsung. This you can say is a final confirmation we have in terms of design. Here this confirms John Prosser and Ming-Chi Kuo news we had months back. Some images and display panels are pointing towards a capsule-shaped hole. Some sources said it's gonna be a circular cutout like in Samsung and Xiaomi devices we have right now. The capsule shape means Face ID on top, but Apple may shock us all implementing Face ID inside display, or they may even ditch it for Touch ID. Apple is using a small notch in 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch Max on Pro variant, and yes, they may get 120Hz high refresh rate. So yes, 4 flagship devices, this all with A16 Bionic CPU based on TSMC 4nm fabrication process and iOS 16 out of the box. So it's gonna be a powerful combination we are about to witness. There are some exciting devices coming as well. Apple is also gonna announce Watch Series 8, Apple Watch SE and Sport Edition with rugged finish. For those waiting for MacBooks, Apple is planning to launch a MacBook Pro entry-level edition with a notch. And yes, we have MacBook Air coming soon in different light color option. Some news from Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is planning to launch a new 4.7-inch iPhone SE with 3GB of RAM. He says Apple is gonna reserve 4GB of RAM for 6.1-inch and 5.7-inch large iPhone SE. Some rumors from China say Apple is gonna use a notch in the iPhone SE and then they'll shift to a hole punch display there too. Yes, still with LCD panel cause of course they want to cut the cost and make it different and not so expensive than their main flagship. So yes guys, can say Apple got tons of devices coming next year. Which one are you getting? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.